Okay, I actually have invoice right over here. Okay, this invoice. Okay, and another file. This is another file, right, which has all the CSV array right, up to okay here. See that 106, and this one has the code, the unit price, the capacity, right, in GB, okay, and the model, all right. Okay. So now the idea is using this product code over here, right, I want to find the model, which is coming from here, okay, the capacity, which is coming from this file, right, and the price, which is coming from here. Right? Of course, the product code over here is this code. So how am I going to do this in two separate? Uh, one is a Excel spreadsheet, and the other one is a CSV file. So this is a CSV file that I open in Excel spreadsheet. So basically, what you need to do is, of course, you need a formula. So I'm going to put it here first, right? Because I'm going to start with the model, then I work into the capacity, then I work into the unit price. Now, the model itself, right? We will need to use the lookup, but there is quite a number of lookup. There is the uh, horizontal, the O lookup, all right, and then there is the vertical lookup, and then of course there is another one that is the X lookup, all right. So for this particular session, I'm looking at the X lookup, right, but other lookup can still get the job done, all right. It's just that the X lookup is more versatile, all right. You can read about it inside this uh, Microsoft help files. Okay. So first of all, I want to see, okay, what am I going to look up? What value am I going to look up? Right. So of course I'm going to look up at this box. So A9 box. All right. Where is my lookup array? So where am I going to look up for this? Right. Where am I going to look up for this? Is actually in this file, the code, because A9 is the code. See that? It's going to look up this code over here all the way to 106. So it will indicate the CSV, all right, okay, A2, right, A2, okay, which is the top all the way up to 106. So it's taking all this code in. You can see all the code in. What is going to be written? For this, I want to return the model. So choose the model here all the way to 106, which is the last one over here. Right, over here. Of course, if not found, then what can I do? Maybe now I don't bother. All right, and the match mode. Okay, what do I want to do? All right, how to match the lookout value? Okay, but right now I don't actually need that, so I'll click OK, and I see NA with this value not available to the formula or the function. Okay, but I want to test it. So if I key in uh, SSD1, it should give me this model, something 850 Evo. Okay, let's try this. All right. So SSD1 and something 850 Evo. See this one. Okay. So let's say I do SSD10. It should give me send this extreme flow. So SSD10, enter, send this extreme flow. So it's actually using this to look at the code and extract the model. See that? All right. Of course, this is just for the model. The capacity, I can get it from here. Capacity in GB. But I will repeat the process again. So now if I do it, it will be slightly faster. Okay, lookup. All right. I will still look up this value over here. Right. I will the lookup array will still be this code over here, right, all the way to 106, no change. Okay, you can think of it as like primary key. And return, the only difference now is that the return will be the GB, capacity in GB. So return all the way to 106. And if I hit OK, right, SSD10 is supposed to give me 240. And SSD 11, let's say if I do 11, it will give me what, this Crucial MX300. Okay, yes, right, and the capacity is 275. See, so this one is correct. Right, now the only one left is the unit price. So same process, XLookUp, all right, look up this cell, look up array, the code from the first all the way to the last here, all right. Okay, enter, return. Okay, now you probably will guess it. All right, the return will be a different column, all right, because now the return will be the price. So this one all the way to 106. And if I hit enter, SS11 is $89. And if I do SS, okay, just a random number, let's say 27, I don't know what it is. So SS27 is this, okay, 27, OZT, vector 150, capacity 240, and the price, oh yeah, here it is, 204. So it's actually extracting this and placing it here. Okay, all right. So of course, once you do the work, of course, remember to save. All right, because uh, if you don't save later on, you can't actually submit your work to the exam.